Hey y'all, Gratitude out here, not rolling around, hanging out by the lake. Got the smoker going. Today, my day off, I'm doing some bacon wrapped white cheddar brats on the smoker. Oh, and I still think it's a good day. I love to cook, and yeah, we got a little storm rolling in. Just a little one. Just now starting to tinkle a little bit. Oh, we better catch some of that action over there. I think we're gonna have some good lightning here. Maybe over there. So nice. It's quiet out here. Something to be grateful for. Sit in the storm with me for a bit. We'll ride the storm out.